Hello student, what's up? Today we are going to take this problem. In this problem there are three variables basically. If you read the problem completely, first have a look at it, you will identify that there are three variables. One is x, then b, variable or three unknowns, basically constant or variable, basically three unknowns, and y. In this sort of type of problem, when you have more than one variable, we try to use conditions like boundedness, right? This give us hint that we have to use here concept of boundedness or extreme values. Let me explain you how. We have to find the values of b, then the sum of the possible values of b is lambda. We have to find the possible values of b and then we have to take a sum of it. We will get lambda, and the question is about lambda plus 1. And if you analyze, you can see that there are three variables. It is not solvable if you solve it proper method. So we have to use the concept of boundedness. How we use it? If you see, this is 2 raised to power x square minus 2 raised to power x into 2 raised to power 2, correct, plus 5. The remaining equation remains as it is because there's not much to change here. So if you analyze 2 raised to power x square minus 4, it's 4 here, which can be written as 2 raised to power x into 2. So what we are doing, we are trying to make a perfect square. A square minus 2ab plus we need a b square here, which is a 2 square here. We take 2 square from the 5, then only 1 remains, and the remaining equation is as it is. So this will be 2 raised to power x minus 2 whole square 1 plus mod b minus 1 modulus of b minus 1 minus 3 is equal to modulus of sine y. Now if we analyze, any perfect square is generally greater than 0, right? It is not always necessary, but in this case it is greater than 0 because this can be equal to 0 when we put x equal to 1. If you put x equal to 1, this will become 0. So we can see that this term is greater than or equal to 0. At x equal to 1, it equal to 0, right? And this modulus term is also greater than or equal to 0 because whatever it is containing, whatever inside the modulus, it is a matter. It will be always positive, or minimum it will be equal to 0. So as you can see, RHS and LHS, if you see RHS is mod sine y, right? We know that this mod sine y is maximum value is 1 and minimum value is 0, right? So RHS lies between 0 to 1 because RHS is mod sine y, whereas LHS, you can see that this term is greater than 0 and this term is greater than 0. The minimum value of this equation becomes 1, as LHS is, if we take the minimum value, LHS is always greater than 0 plus 1 plus 0. So LHS is greater than 1 and RHS is less than 1. The only way we can have the solution is both should be equal to 1, because someone is greater than 1 and someone is asking for less than 1, then they have to compromise on being 1 both. So RHS equals to LHS is only possible when both are equal to 1. So as we have to focus on the value of b, so we will focus on LHS only. In that also, this term we will focus on this term. This will be equal to 1 only if this is equal to 0 as well as this is equal to 0. So this term should be equal to 0. So what we get here, this should be equal to 0. The modulus gives value 0 only when of for modulus of 0. So this, and the inside term should be equal to 0. So mod b minus 1 is equal to 3, and b minus 1 is equal to plus minus 3 by the property of modulus, and we get b minus 1 equal to 3 and b minus 1 equal to minus 3 here. So we get two values of b here is 4, 3 plus 1 4, and minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. The question is about the sum of possible values of b. Lambda is the sum of possible values of b, so lambda is equal to 4 plus minus 2, which is 2 here, and the question is about the lambda plus 1, so we will get 2 plus 1, the answer will be 3. This is a very relevant question for JEE, because many times when a student encounters more than one variable, he get panic, but you should get happy by seeing this, because this is a simple equation. You just need to find out the extremum value or minimum value. In this question, if someone would have asked about the y, then you have to equate mod sin y equal to 1. That's it. So sin y should equal to plus minus 1, y equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Similarly, if someone would have asked the value of x, you have to equate this term or this term equal to 0. That's it. Then only the solution will be possible. I hope you learn new concept. For more videos, subscribe my channel, and please, my channel is open for discussion. Thank you.